We are reaching the Coming Technology. Coming Technology. Hi, I'm Jane. Jane, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Mary.
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 Fine. M-A-R-I-O-N. Mary.
Mary.
Yeah,
Okay.
because sounds like my Chinese name. Ma Liang.
Ma Liang. Oh,
Yeah, Mary.
Wow, that's
Okay.
I was a mistake. I'm sorry. I just want to don't make mistake. Mary.
No, I'm very nervous now.
Oh.
It's my first time live show.
Your English is so good. Your fluent and accent is very good.
I don't think so, but anyway, thank you.
Taking from my heart. I'm not cheating you.
Okay. So can we start right now?
Yeah, sure. Of course. Thank you. Take your time. Take your breath.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello everybody, welcome to Shenzhen Coming Technology booth. And this is Mary. Okay. I'm humbled and honored to be here represent our company to introduce our product to you guys. We were established in 2011 and we were specializing in developing manufacturing LED lighting products. We have LED high bay light, floodlight, and straight light, full light, linear, etc. Except producing and selling LED lighting products, we can also provide you professional technique support. Okay, today I would like to introduce two of our original designed LED products to you guys. Okay, look here. This is our high bay light. As you can see, it's unlike the traditional LED high bay light in the market. We have 4 modules which can be rotated by 200 degrees, so that's why we named it 4 bay. The range of our wattage is from 100 to 480 wattage, and the efficiency is 150 lumens per wattage. Okay, above all, how does this module design can benefit you? I will give you some situations. The first one, First one, many customers always want some wider illumination range. Then if you install our 4 bay light, you can rotating the modules. Yeah, then you can get a wider illumination range. Yeah, the second one is if you sorry. Okay, the second one is if you install some high bay light in warehouse, there are always have many obstructions, right? Light containers and shelves. And if you install our 4 bay light, you can rotating our modules to avoid these obstructions. Yes. And the second one, always some customers they want high intensity illumination, but they want to get a low glare, right? If you install our 4 bay light, you can rotating these modules up forwards and reflect the lights on the floor. Okay, then let's look. This is our original design heating sink.
Dissipation of the heat.
Yes, the heat sink. It was made of 99.6% high purity aluminum.
Luminous.
Yes, based on that, we make this cooling film very thin, and there is a hollow design.
Okay.
Then the airflow can take the heat from the chips and the PCB more faster and easier. Yes.
Very
And then,
good design.
yeah, look at this. We have a whole design here.
What's this? The sensation?
This is a hole.
Hole.
Yes, we can put some just like camera or motion sensor in here to make these fixtures more intelligent. Okay, let's look over here. Yeah, we already put a motion sensor inside the fixtures.
Okay.
Just wait a moment, it will be dark.
Okay.
Yeah. 那个麻烦你们稍微让一下，它会没人，它会按下来。
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, if people getting around here,
Around here,
then it will judge that. Oh, okay, it's getting dark.
Yeah, let's go.
A little bit dark. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Make this fixture more intelligent. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, so you are using that robot and simulate people just
yes.
crossing around, so the light is backing up to the illuminate. And
Yes,
then
just for saving energy.
Yes, save
Yes,
energy.
save
exactly.
energy. Okay.
And sometimes we catch the thief.
Yeah. So that's why we can
The movies.
we can install some camera in here.
Yeah, the security
Yeah.
one. Yeah.
Okay, next let's look at our T-series floodlight.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay, for our T-series floodlight, we have many options on wattage for you guys. Like we can make the wattage from 30 to 1440. And our luminous, our efficiency can be up to 170 lumens per wattage. Okay, well that can benefit you guys. If you use our floodlight like 300 wattage, you can replace the normal 350, even 400 wattage LED floodlight in the market. That will save your cost, right? And then our cooling fin is the same as our 4-bay light. It also made of high purity aluminum and hollow design. Okay, so here. As you can see, our module is also rotatable. And we have many options on this optical lens, like 10 degrees, 30, 90, 60, and 120 degree.
Yeah.
Yeah. With the rotatable module and various options on the optical lens, what can we bring to you is, for example, if we have a football field, right?
Yeah.
If we install some traditional round LED floodlight,
Stadium. Yeah.
yes, the light only can illuminate to the center of the field.
Yeah.
But the
focus.
yes, but the area under the poles is much more darker than the center.
Yeah, not uniform.
Yes, not uniform.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we use our LED floodlight. We can use this this module and equip some narrow optical lens and illuminate to the center of the area.
Yeah.
And the next, the button. Yeah, the module on the button, we can illuminate, rotate it to the under the area, right? And with a wild optical lens.
Yes.
Yes, we can greatly increase the uniformity of this area.
Combined together.
Yes,
yeah,
combined
and
together.
the uniform and the
Yes.
wider range of the light setting.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
Okay.
good.
Okay, next, let's look at this. Maybe some people will always ignore this, is the weight.
Wait.
Weight.
Is it portable or?
Yes, the weight of our 300 wattage LED floodlight is only 5.6 kilograms.
Less than 6 kilograms.
Yes. Meanwhile, the LED floodlight 300 wattage in the market, maybe they will have 12 kilograms.
Oh, yeah, very heavy.
Very heavy.
And,
Yeah. So, okay, well, this can benefit you, right?
They have the trolley to,
No.
to
Well,
transport
it
it.
can save many costs, just like the installation cost, the transportation cost, of course, and also the maintenance cost in the future.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. Okay.
It's well considered. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Ready? Yeah.
Okay. Let's look over here. The application of our LED lights is very wild. Just like we can use in harbor, railway station, a power station, indoor and outdoor sport field, right? And we can use for billboard and wall washer, office. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
The application things are very quite wild.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
sorry.
It's alright. Don't worry. Yeah, I can hold for you.
Okay.
You are well prepared.
You know,
Don't be too nervous. Your performance is
at
really
first
good.
it's not me. It's not much to introduce this.
Let me hold me.
Yeah, okay.
Hold for you.
Okay, thank you. Okay. In addition to the two LED lights I introduced to you guys, we also have like LED linear light, straight light, full light, wall pack, bar head, etc.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you guys have any interest, just please visit our booth at 4.1 A11.
Yeah.
Yes. And if unable to be here, unfortunately, right?
Website?
Yes,
Okay.
we have website. It's www.co-ming.com.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a website. And you need more support, and you have any more interested, just please feel free to send us email. It's info@co-ming.com.
Okay.
Okay.
Great. Coming
Oh.
technology.
Yes,
is
Coming
really
technology.
Good. Uh-huh.
Coming technology. Look here.
Oh, this English and the Chinese
Yes.
are very good. Coming and the
谐音梗。
Coming. The lighting.
Yes.
The ancient Chinese lighting.
Oh, had
Better than-
experience.
So good. You're doing really good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mary.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jen.
So nice to meet you. Okay, so
Okay,
see you
thank
next
you.
time.
Yeah,
Have a
thank
good
you.
day.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.